Welcome to our channel. Let's get your Fortnite account secured with two-factor authentication for maximum protection. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact steps needed to activate two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Epic Games account, protecting your Fortnite profile from unauthorized access. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to your account settings, usually found in the drop-down menu under your username on the settings page. Look for the section labeled Password and Security. This is where you will find the options to enable two-factor authentication. Epic Games currently offers 3 authentication options: email authentication, authenticator app authentication, and SMS authentication. We recommend using an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy for the highest security and convenience. The first step is to choose your preferred 2FA method. For email authentication, you will receive codes directly to your registered email address. When you select email authentication, Epic Games will send a verification code to your email each time you log in. For authenticator app, open your chosen authenticator app on your smartphone. Then follow the on-screen prompt on the Epic Games site that shows a QR code. Simply scan this QR code with your app and enter the 6-digit code it generates back onto the site. To verify for SMS authentication, enter your mobile phone number, and Epic Games will send you a login code via text message every time you sign in. After selecting and setting up your preferred authentication method, Epic Games requires you to confirm activation by entering a code received either via email, SMS, or from the authenticator app. This final step completes the setup and activates 2FA on your account. Once activated, every time you log into Fortnite or other Epic Games services, you will be prompted to enter a security code in addition to your password. This extra step ensures your account remains secure against hacking attempts. Remember to keep backup codes provided during setup in a safe place. These codes can help you regain access if you lose your phone or cannot receive codes. The process to disable 2FA is also available in your settings, but is not recommended unless absolutely necessary. Activating two-factor authentication is a crucial security step to protect your Fortnite account and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay without fear of account theft. By following this step-by-step method, your account security will be greatly enhanced, and you can focus on winning the battle royale, have fun gaming, and stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful gaming guides and tips.